Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again, and if you ever need a multi-purpose knot that's great for a lot of situations and is easy to tie, this is it. It's known as the panic knot because perhaps if you're in a panic, you can default to this knot and it should do the job. To tie this knot, you simply make 2 big loops around the palm of your hand. Then with the short end, go over the 2 big loops and then make 2 small loops around the 2 big loops you just made. Then from there, remove the knot from your hand and you can place it over whatever you're tying the paracord to. And then pull the knot shut and cinch it tight. And this knot does tighten down very securely and it's great for many uses. Also, it's just as easy to untie as it is to tie. You could even do 3 loops instead of 2 to make it slightly more secure. At least it feels like it moves a bit less if you do 3 loops instead of 2. Now, if you want to use this knot around a post or object that you can't place the knot over, you just simply pass your cord around the post, then make your 2 big loops around your hand. Then take the opposite standing end and place it next to your big loops in your hand. Then finally make your small loops around the standing end and 2 big loops. Cinch up and you have your knot secured. So this is a great knot that I think everyone should know and keep in their back pocket. While this knot isn't a knot that you would necessarily want your life to depend on, for most day-to-day chores or tasks, this knot should more than suffice. Lastly, a big shout out to First Class Amateur from whom I learned this knot. He's got a great tutorial for it as well, and I felt this knot needed to be shared on this channel, so go check him out. So if you're ever in a situation where you need a simple and secure knot, don't panic.